Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I'm going to do unboxing for this 324 brand new tools. So here's I have the wheel installer, and here is the new stuff that it just released by the 324. And this is the wheel installer, the shaft support. Okay, so this one can use with the wheel installer. And here, this is another one is the new product that 324 just released. That is the wrench, the different size to a 4.0 and 4.5 wrench. And also, it's not just the wrench; it's a combination with the shaft. Shaft checker. You can see there's holes in there, so this also can check the shaft, see if that's straight or not. Okay, so we're gonna test it and we're gonna open it and let's see what's it looks like and how it works. All right, check it out. Okay, so here we have all the three tools has been opened already, and let's see what's the difference and anything special for the tools. Okay, so first we start from the wheel installer. So the wheel installer, basically how it works is, let's see. So when you install the wheels, on the shaft on the wheels, then you just put it like this, and then push it. You just push it, then you will push the shaft. Okay, so this is what the purpose for the wheel installer. And let's see any special for this one. So here you can see this hole is basically for if you drill the holes for your tools, for your wheels, then you can push the shaft through this hole, so there's nothing blocked over here. And also there's one thing special is, if you can see here, so at this side there's it's not a hole, but this one, you push the shaft, you can totally hold the shaft in the position here, so the shaft won't move. Okay, so that's also a very special design for the wheel installer. And also one more thing is this wheel installer can be adjusted, can adjust the height for if you are installing different size of the wheels, let's say like medium, large, extra large. Okay, so once you have the shaft on the position and push this in the position, then you just twisted this one until it's tight, then you will stay over there. Okay, so here is the shaft support for the wheel installer. This is the new products that the 324 just released. So what's the purpose for this one is basically when you put your shaft, you can put the shaft right on this one, so you can make sure when you are pushing, but looks like this one only works on 72 millimeters. So because the 60 millimeter, that's what I have over here, is going to be too short. Okay, but it's still good if you are using 72 millimeters, and that will be a good option for you. So if you can install your shaft here and then push this right into the end, then using this adjust to the height that you need. So for example, just right over here. Okay, all right, then we push it. Okay, so just like this. So here I'm going to do an example for you by using the 72 millimeter, but we're gonna do it later. So because I'm gonna show you this one first. Okay, so this is the 1.98 shaft checker, and also it's a wrench. So it's one side is this side is the regular nut, and this side is the lock nut. Okay, so and inside there is a hole, if you can see. So there is a hole that you can put the shaft into it and see if it can go through very easily, and that means the shaft is straight. So here we're gonna do a test and see how is this shaft, is this shaft checker is really good, and it's very strict on the size. Okay, so here I have the other shaft checker that I used to use before I get this one, but this one is 1.99. This is 1.99. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna test it. There's here I have 5 shafts, and we're gonna test it and see which one can go through this and which one cannot. Okay, so let's start this one, past this one. Okay, so it looks like all this 5 shafts can go through straight through to this 1.99 shaft checker. Okay, and let's see for this is 1.98. Okay, so here we're gonna do this one. Okay, see the sign? Okay, this one pull. You see the side. Oh, this inside so tight. Is it? Okay, no, this one there. So this one. There as well. So let's see this one. Oh, good. I'm gonna go through and let's see this one. Okay, so this one. Okay, so for this one is much more because the size is smaller. So once your shaft can straight go through it, then that means the shaft is really straight. Okay, so here we're gonna do example for you to install the shaft. I'm gonna using this because those are really straight, so I don't want to using for the test. So here I'm gonna install this. Okay, so gently hit it in, and then we're gonna try to using this to install it. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the 72 it works fine, but the 60 it might be tough. Okay, so here. Okay. Okay, so it looks pretty good, and also it works for me. Okay, so this is the quick unboxing for today for those 1, 2, 3 these 3 tools. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.